So for the Euro USD, what this is going to come down to is, can it get below this trend line? Now let's talk about this trend line here for a moment, because this is going to be critical for the euro. Now we've discussed this in recent videos, but if you'll notice here from this February low, now this is a bit of an odd trend line, I'll admit, because we don't have touches off of these lows. However, this could look invalid until you look at the recent price action since this low, because what we have here is off of that February low. If you look at the last few months here, we have the euro bouncing every single time from this trend line. Okay. Now you could draw this a little bit differently. You could include this low back here. However, I want the most conservative placement possible. In other words, I want this level at a position where if the euro does break down, I want there to be no question that this market has officially broken down. And for that, this placement that you see right here is it. Okay. In my opinion, this is it, because we're taking the very low of these candles. Okay. Now, again, to be clear, there are still several hours left in today's session. There's 6 hours left. Okay. So keep that in mind. The euro could still close above this level today and just stay range bound here this week. Okay. So if you are going out there and shorting this now, I think that you're, I don't want to say playing with fire, but you are, trading a little bit riskier, because again, we don't have that confirmed breakdown just yet. We do need at least a daily close below here, and really a sustained break, between today, tomorrow, etc., to really get that push lower. Now, on the other hand, if we see the euro recover back above this level today, then it stays intact as support, and we've got resistance up here around 118.30. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at now for the euro. Obviously still very sideways following last week's breakdown below 118.30, but we are seeing the first signs of that potential reversal.